Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Twisted Waxwell from Dandy's World. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off on the top left and let's draw a drip down and back up like this. And then let's draw a curve over to the right side. Now at the end, let's draw a long curve down and bring it back up. Then let's bring it out and curve it all the way to the top. Now top over to the left and let's draw a long curve down and bring it up to the top as well. And close off the top of the head with a curve across. Now on each side, let's add another piece of hair with a curve out and back in. And that's it for the hair. Now in between at the bottom, let's draw a curve across for the chin. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and draw the face. On the top left, let's draw a curve for the eyebrow. And then the other eyebrow with a wavy line over. And let's add one more curve next to it. Now underneath this eyebrow, let's draw a large oval for the eye. And then for the other eye, let's add an oval shaped curve down and back up like this. And let's thicken up each of these eye lines with another curve around. Next, let's hop inside each of the eyes and let's draw another oval in the center. And then inside each of these, let's draw an X shape. Let's start with 2 bumps up at the top. And then 2 down. And then let's color the rest of the pupils in black. Next, inside the eye, let's draw a line across at the bottom. And then on the bottom corners, we're going to draw a blob shape around on each eye. And color this in black. And then underneath, let's draw a drip down on each side. And color this black as well. And then one more black circle underneath on the right. And that's it for the eyes. Now underneath, let's add the mouth. Let's start underneath the eyes on the left and let's draw a curve up and over. And another curve underneath. Then let's add another small curve on each end. Now inside the mouth, let's draw a line down on the left. And color this small section in black. And then inside, let's draw a zigzag line across for the teeth. And that's it for the face. Lastly, we're going to hop to the top and draw the wick with 2 lines up. And then a curve at the top. And then let's color this in black. Now that we're done the head, let's hop underneath and let's draw the body, starting with the collar. Let's start with a curve in the center, and then a V-shaped point down for the first spike. Now top out and let's draw a curve on each side. And then another set of spikes, angling them down and out. Now for the collar, let's draw a line down from the head on each side. And then curve it in towards the center. And then let's add a set of spikes on the sides with a point out. And that's it for the collar. Now let's hop underneath and draw the hands. Let's start with 2 curves meeting in the center. Then from the top, let's draw a bump up and down for the thumbs. And then a small line out. Now from the bottom, let's draw a curve over and up. And then an angle down to close off each arm. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a bump up like this. And that's it for the arms. Now let's add the shape of the body. Starting inside underneath the collar, let's draw an angle down on each side. And then continue it underneath the hands with a curve across. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's hop underneath and draw the legs. Let's start with 2 lines down underneath the body on the left and 2 on the right. And then underneath each line, let's add a bump out. And then 2 small lines down underneath. Now let's add the pattern on the legs. Inside the left one, let's draw 2 curves down and a wavy line underneath. And a small circle inside. Now for the right leg, let's add a small circle at the top, 2 bumps across, and 1 more curve up underneath. Now let's move to the bottom and add the feet. From the inside, let's draw a curve up and bring it down. And then close each of them off at the bottom. Now for the next toe, let's add a curve out and curve it back in. And that's it for the feet. Lastly, let's add the tail. On the right side, next to the leg, let's draw 2 curves out and up. Then for the end, let's draw 2 angles. And then curve it up, meeting at a point. And then color the tail in black. And that's it for Twisted Waxwell. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!